Hi everyone, Maryana's here, and today I'm going to tell you how I make my favorite and delicious cream of broccoli soup. Now that I have my apron on, I'm ready to start cooking. So let's go over the ingredients that we are going to need for the cream of broccoli soup. First and foremost, of course, you will need broccoli. By the way, did you know that broccoli is considered to be a superfood because it contains a lot of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Broccoli is also very rich in vitamin K and C. Vitamin K helps us to maintain our bone health and our blood health, and vitamin C is really good for our immune health and system. So to start with broccoli, you'll need broccoli florets with a little bit, I like to leave a little bit of stem on just because it's edible, it has a lot of vitamins as well, and it's really delicious too. Then you'll need some potatoes, and potatoes will add this extra creaminess into your soup and just make it more delicious. You'll also need a little bit of onions, celery, and garlic. Okay, now that we have all of our ingredients here, we are ready to move them into the pot, and I'll show you what to do next. So we have our pot over a medium-high heat, and into the pot we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna take our potatoes, onions, celery, and garlic and add it right into our pot. To cook it for maybe 5 minutes until it gets golden and it develops nice aromas and nice flavors. We're also going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. So now that our vegetables have been cooking for around 5 minutes, we're going to add our star of this dish, and it's broccoli. So we're gonna add our florets right into the pot. Broccoli is also known to reduce some types of cancer. It's good for your skin. It's really good for your brain function, for the heart health. So this vegetable is really good for your health. It's going to boost your immune system. So now that your broccoli is inside the pot, you are going to add water. All the way to cover your florets. Now that we have water here with all our vegetables, we're just going to let it cook for maybe 30 minutes over medium-high heat, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, now our vegetables have been cooking for maybe 30 minutes, so we are ready to blend them. So put it aside on this side. And it looks like everything's cooked through. So now I'm gonna get my blender and I'm going to get in and blend the vegetables together. Just be careful because it's very hot. So here I have a bit of dry parsley and dill with a bit of turmeric. So we're gonna add it right in. And at the very end, we're also going to add a little bit of 10% cream, so just so it makes it a little bit more delicious and creamy. And your soup is ready. Now let's try it. I've got my ladle over here and I'm going to serve. And I also like to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese just on top of my soup before serving. And now I'm going to dig in. It's really good. This soup is to die for, definitely. You should try it out. Share your recipes with us, share your pictures of the soup and how you made it. We would really like to hear from you. Next week, we're gonna have something else delicious made for you.